How to manage your relationship on VK on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage it easy and quick. First open VK, then go to your profile here in top corner and then click these 3 points and then click edit profile and then scroll down until you find the profile, and here you will find the relationship, and here you can manage it. You can select anything you want here, and that's it. And you can manage it again if you want, and that's it. Then just click save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.